See, this 2 power 8 plus 2 power n plus 2 power n is a perfect square for which n they are asking. Okay. How a perfect square will look like? Let some m square be the that square. Okay. M square be the not let m square is equals 2 power 8 plus 2 power 11 plus 2 power n. Then what will happen? You see, this 2 power n will keep it as one side, and these two I am going to transpose this to other side. So I will be getting m square minus 2 power 8 plus 2 power 11. You got what I am trying to convey? Because n is unknown, left hand side we can find. All we need to do is we have to express this as 2 power something. We'll see what happens. Now, as you said before, we can take 2 power 8 as common from this. What you will get? So it is 1 plus 2 power 3, isn't it? So 1 plus 2 power 3 is what? 9. So m square minus 2 power 8 into 9. So when you see this m square minus something, if the other thing is also somewhat square, means you can use a minus b into a plus b formula. Is it? So that is what I am going to use. So this is m square minus 2 power 4 into 3 whole square. What is 2 power 4 into 3, man? 2 power 4 is 16. 16 3s are 48. So we will be having m square minus 48 square. Then we are going to use a minus b into a plus b formula, that is a square minus b square. So m minus 48 into m plus 48. Okay, looks like we got a quadratic equation here, like factors we got. If the other side is 0, we can equate this and we will find the value of m. Okay, but is that m we need to find? What is it? N we have to find. So as this product is equal to 2 power something, this expression also must be 2 power something, this expression also must be 2 power something. So I am going to assume that let some 2 power s is equals m minus 48. Okay. And some 2 power p is equals m plus 48. Why I am assuming like this? Because the left hand side is 2 power something. This is product of two things. This also should be 2 power something, that also should be 2 power something. We don't know that one, I am using variables s and t. Now find out the value of m from this. M is equals 2 power s plus 48. And from this m is equals 2 power t minus 48. What do you observe from these two? These two are equal because they are equated to m. So we have 2 power s plus 48 equals 2 power t minus 48. Now we will take all the 2 power to one side and we will see what happens. This 2 power, so this 48 I am going to take it over here. This 2 power s I am going to transpose over there. Then it is 48 plus 48 equals 2 power t minus 2 power s. Now from this 48 plus 48 it is 96, is it? Okay. Then from this we will take one 2 power something out. That I am going to take it as 2 power s. So here 2 power t minus s minus 1 equals t minus s. In this also, like product of some numbers, like product of two numbers means that will be fine. So let us prime factorize this 96. What we will get? So when it is divided by 2, it is 48, again divided by 2, it is 24, again divided by 2, it is 12, again divided by 2, it is 6, again divided by 2, it is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 2 power 5 into 3. Now from this what do you observe is 2 power s, here 2 power 5. Also this is 2 power something minus 1. Do you know what happens 2 power something minus 1? Is this even or odd? Odd. So here we have an odd number. So by comparing this, I am going to conclude that this 2 power s is must be 2 power 5. So we have the value of s as 5. Okay, and this 2 power t minus s is, that must be 3. Sorry, t minus s minus 1, that must be 3. This minus 1 goes to the other side. Then we'll get 2 power 3 minus 1 is, sorry, 2 power t minus s is 3 plus 1. So we got 2 power t minus s is 4. 4 is what, man? 2 square. So 2 power something, 2 power something. Powers are equal. So we got t minus s is equals 2. We already got s value. What is s value? 5. So t is equals 5 plus 2, it is 7. So we have found s and t. That means this is 2 power s, sorry, this is 2 power s into 2 power t equals 2 power n. Then what is the value of n? 2 power s plus t. 2 power n is equals 2 power s plus t, like you can write now. So s is 5, t is 7, we have n as 12. That is it. Any doubts in this? Do you want me to explain this once again? No. You good, right? Okay, good.